Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone. Week 10, we're trying to finish up everything for last week, week 11. And that's pretty much it. So just thought we'd get into it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, let's take a look and go from there. So I just want to give you announcements. Again, you got your feedback discussions due today. Then you have week 10 assignment due tonight, or I meant tomorrow. I'll be grading assignments and stuff throughout and kind of finishing some stuff up tomorrow. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out with that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just kind of want you to get focused on it. Also, keep in mind you have your presentation coming up. So if you want to present in person during lecture, you can. That'll save you from doing a reply post to everybody's everybody's presentations. If not, you can still do the presentation on the discussion, but you have to reply to everybody. That's the goal to that. So that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Please look through this, look through all the the responsibilities and everything and what you need to do because this is important. I'm going to go over it on Monday during our announcement, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and that's all I got. All right, enjoy, everybody. Take it easy. Bye.